Hey, it's Art here. Today, I'm going to show you a little technical trick that I think once you learn it, you're going to use over and over again. So let's get started. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF document into a JPEG image file. That way you can post it on social media, you can send it with email, you can post it on your website or your blog post. And if you own a digital welcome kit, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage the content you already have. Let's start by clicking on over to the recipe page. And for this example, we're going to use the Asian chicken wraps. Now, I'm simply going to download this PDF file to my desktop. Now that I have the PDF on my desktop, I'm going to roll back to the website and bring up a new tab for a utility website called combinedpdf.com. Now, you'll note on this website there are lots of little tabs across the top, but you want the one that says PDF to JPEG. Just click on that tab, and up pops a page with a drag and drop area. So now all I need to do is drag my PDF file into this drag and drop area and the conversion begins. In less than 5 seconds, the conversion's complete and you can download as a zip file. Double click on the zip file and the JPEG image file will pop out. Since I don't need them anymore, I'm going to move the original PDF file and the zip file into the trash. Now I'm going to open up my Facebook page and drag my newly created JPEG image right into the timeline. While the image is loading, I'm going to add a little bit of text and a couple of fancy emojis, but we're not quite done yet. I'm going to swing back over to the digital welcome kit, then I'm going to highlight and copy the URL to the recipe page. Then back to Facebook, where I'm going to paste that URL right after my text. And now I go down to the bottom, click on post, and voila, I have the full JPEG image of what was formerly a PDF file, complete with a link to drive traffic back to my website. And with your digital welcome kit, you can do this with your own branded recipes, smoothies, shakes, and even the handouts. Hey, this is Art. I hope you found this helpful.